Hi, this is Julian from Endoxa. I'm going to show you how to make a new argument step within an Endoxa lesson. You'll get instructions to do this from Doxa. So here it says make a new argument step, which has a conclusion of this statement down here. You make a new argument step by connecting two statements together. So what you need to do is you click once on one of these green flashing boxes, like that, and it drags an arrow down, and then you click again on another statement, anywhere in another statement. So I'm going to click here. In this case, it was the wrong statements. So this argument step actually has to go from this statement, I click once here, down to this one, I click again. This brings up the argument type menu. So here you have to select which argument type it is. Now in this case, let's just choose one of these. I get a error message because that was the wrong one, but it gives me a hint that it was a causal type. So that must be cause and effect. So I click this, and I need to choose whether the argument is pro or con. So this one is pro because it should make the conclusion true rather than false. So I click that, and there we are. The new argument step appears. If you're using a touch screen, you touch the green flashing box and you touch the new statement. You won't see a line appear between them. Okay, that's all. Thanks for listening.